Hey guys, me Aria, and watch this. Mama, hold this on me. Hold this on me. And I am gonna show you a trick. I got the this, and it's not a noodle. It can do this. Hello, la 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 la. And it could even do this. If you shake it, it makes noise. Mama, turn this off. So this could hear the noise. Hear that? And the noise is really little, so you can't hear it. It's not loud. And you could even catch bees or little baby butterflies with it. And you could even do this, look. Like if you want to blow it, then like you could just do this. And it makes noise. And you know, I could even do this. There. Okay.